In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Cash App Roundups. So Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, you have savings, Bitcoin, stocks. You can even do paychecks and taxes on here. And there's also a card where you can spend your balance. As part of this card, there's a Roundups feature. What this means is that every time you pay for something using your card, it can round up to the next dollar and automatically invest it for you. There's 3 different things that you can use for Roundups. To turn Roundups off or change what you want to use it for, just come to the card screen, tap on Roundups. From here you can toggle on or off. You can also tap change destination. So if you want your Roundups to go to your savings, Bitcoin, or stocks, you just need to make your selection. And for stocks, you can choose a specific stock to purchase. Just pick from the list or use the search feature. You guys already know I'm a big fan of Bitcoin, so I'm just going to keep it on that. Tap confirm and you're good to go. Bitcoin is set up for Roundups. And now whenever I swipe my card, it'll automatically purchase me a little bit of Bitcoin. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.